Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 6.1. In the diagram, the graphs of f of x is equal to tan x and g of x is equal to 2 sine 2x are drawn on the interval x in the element of negative 180 degrees to 180 degrees. A and B are 2 points of intersection of F and G. These are the points of intersection. Write down the period of G, 1 mark. Right, how can we find the period of G? I'll show you 2 ways of doing this. The first one is just to read it from the graph. The period is the number of degrees in which the graph will repeat itself. Right, let's check here. From negative 180, the graph will go, it will go like this, up to 0. From 0, the graph is now repeating. See that? Now we can easily see that this graph repeats itself after 180 degrees. From negative 180 to 0, that is 180 degrees. Then from 0 to 180, that is 180 degrees. So the period is equal to 180 degrees. The other thing we have to remember is that for the graph of the form h of x is equal to a sine kx, right? The period is equal to 360 degrees divided by k. Right? Remember the period for the sine graph. The period for the sine graph is 360 degrees. Our k in this case is this 2 here. So it means the period, we can say period is equal to 360 degrees divided by 2, which is 180 degrees.